Welcome to the African History Network show right here on 910 AM Superstation, the Future Radio. Hey, I'm your host, Brother Michael Imhotep. It is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021, and we are live. Hope everybody's doing well today. Well, look, it's been another very, very busy day, and it's day 8 of the Chauvin Trial in the murder of George Floyd. Another interesting day of testimony. It's been a lot going on between yesterday and today. So we're going to give you some of the highlights of what took place today, today's trial. We heard from Sergeant Jody Steiger of the LAPD, who is a use of force expert. And he was on the witness stand on Tuesday, and he returned to the witness stand on Wednesday. And one of the things he testified to is that Derek Chauvin used deadly force on George Floyd when none was needed. Some very damaging testimony came out, damaging for the defense. Then we saw a stunt that the defense attorney, Eric Nelson, tried to pull with some audio and got caught. We'll talk about that as well. So we'll give you highlights of what happened at the trial today. And then back when, I like a lot of people in media, I've been following this story since it happened back May 25th, 2020. And there was I remember back in June of 2020, there was a story from CBS This Morning, and I read articles dealing with this. And it was an interview with someone who worked at the club that Derek Chauvin and George Floyd worked at. They did security. And I'm waiting on this to come out in this court case. I haven't heard this come up in the court case. And this person in the CBS interview said that Derek Chauvin and George Floyd had bumped heads in the past, and there was some type of familiarity there. They knew each other to some extent. Now, I haven't been able to clearly find out to what extent they knew each other, but we're going to go back to this story here. I talked about it when this came out back in June of 2020. But it's very, very interesting. And it is very interesting. And I think it applies to